Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of Today in African History. Every day we share inspiring stories about our Mama Africa, her people, and their contributions to the world. If you are new here, be sure to join the amazing family, and if you have been here before, thank you so much for continuing to support us. We bring you this content completely free, because we believe that Africans and people of African descent worldwide should know and understand the true narrative of Africa. Please help us with this mission by sharing this video with a friend or family member. You can also support us through the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. All in one day. I don't know why. Okay, one day. Let's do it. 1896, 1960, 2009. That's all in one day. Here are three important things that happened in the history of Africa on August 3rd. In 1960, Niger became independent. Niger, formerly known as the Republic of French Sudan, was a part of French West Africa. It was initially a colony of France and then an overseas territory until it gained full independence on August 3, 1960. The new country was proclaimed the Republic of Niger with its capital at Niamey and its first president being Hamani Diori. Following independence, Niger faced challenges such as ethnic and regional tensions, economic issues tied to its colonial past, and the struggle to establish stable democratic institutions. Despite these difficulties, Niger has worked towards peace and development. Each year, August is celebrated as Niger's National Day, commemorating its hard-won freedom and serving as a reminder of the nation's unity and resilience. We're staying in Africa for the next event that took place on August 3rd. In 2009, Ghana hosted an African Union Peace Summit. This important event was held in Accra, the capital city of Ghana. The primary focus of the summit was to discuss strategies for maintaining peace and security in West Africa. Specifically, the leaders of the African Union were meeting to address the conflicts in Côte d'Ivoire, Guinea, and Liberia. The summit provided a platform for African heads of state and government to come together and coordinate efforts to resolve these conflicts. They discussed various approaches, such as deploying peacekeeping missions and implementing measures to prevent the proliferation of small arms. The outcome of the summit demonstrated the African Union's commitment to finding peaceful solutions to security challenges within the continent and its belief in the importance of African-led initiatives in resolving conflicts. Now we travel back in time to the year 1896 for the third event that occurred on this day. The Battle of Adibo took place on August 3, 1896 in the northern region of what is now Ghana. The battle was fought between the indigenous Dagomba people and the invading German colonial forces. The German military, equipped with modern weapons such as guns and artillery, aimed to subdue the Dagomba, who were known for their fierce resistance against colonial expansion. Despite being outnumbered and outgunned, the Dagomba warriors displayed great courage and determination in defending their land and way of life. Although details of the battle are not extensively documented, it is remembered as a significant moment in the history of Ghana's northern resistance against colonial powers. The battle reflects the broader struggle of African communities to maintain their independence and sovereignty in the face of European imperialism during the late 19th century. Today, August serves as a day of remembrance honoring the bravery of the Dagomba people and their fight for freedom. So there you have it. From the hard-won independence of Niger in 1960 to the valiant Battle of Adibo in 1896 and the crucial Peace Summit in 2009, August 3rd echoes with the struggles, triumphs, and evolving leadership across Africa. Remember the words of Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana, who said, "The African is not yet a Uhuru. Uhuru means freedom in Swahili. The African is not yet free." And we still have work to do. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We've explored pivotal moments in African history, reminding ourselves that our past is not just a collection of dates, but a tapestry of courage, resilience, and progress. As we reflect on these events, let us be inspired by the spirit of our ancestors and the countless individuals who have shaped our continent's narrative. We at Today in African History are committed to bringing you the stories that define our past, present, and future. Your support means the world to us, so keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to stay connected to the rhythm of our Mama Africa. Until next time, stay curious, stay engaged, and above all, stay proud of our great and amazing continent, Africa. And remember, Africa is watching, the future is ours. And we must play our part in making it happen. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.